Hey guys, welcome to Login Sign In, and in this video we will show you the things you can do when you lose your password to your POF account. Now first off, go to pof.com and just type in your username or email in this box, and without typing the password, click on check mail. Now on this box, just type in the email address that you registered while creating your account, and once you type it and submit, they'll send you the instructions to reset your password. So just go ahead and type in your email and then submit. And like it says right here, if that is a registered POF email address, you'll receive a password reset email very soon. Otherwise, please try a different mail. Alright, go ahead and check your email, and if you don't find any messages, you can check the social tab. Right, this is the message from POF. Go ahead and click it, and then just click on this link. Now from here you can enter a new password for your account. Just go ahead and type a new password and then confirm it below, and then just click on update password. And like it says here, your password has been reset. So I hope this was useful, and make sure you subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time.